Hi students, good evening to all. In this class we will discuss to Fibonacci sequence and infinite series. Okay, now go to Fibonacci sequence. What is mean by Fibonacci sequence? The Fibonacci sequence is a sequence of numbers, okay, using numbers where a number other than first two terms, is found, okay. First of all, found in first two terms. Now adding up the two numbers before it, it means here starting with 1, okay, starting with 1. This is the first number and second number, okay. Then the third number gives, add two numbers, okay, add previous two numbers, that is 1 plus 1. This is the third number, okay. That is 1 plus 1 is 2, okay. Then the fourth number is 1 plus 2, okay, 1 plus 2, that is 3, okay. Then the next number is 1 plus, here 1 plus 2, here 2 plus 3, okay, 2 plus 3, that is 5, okay. Here 3 plus 5, that is 8, okay. Similarly, like as this is called the Fibonacci sequence, okay. 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 8 is called the Fibonacci sequence, okay. Next go to infinite series. What is mean by infinite series? The series have uncountable number of terms, okay, uncountable number of terms, which is called the infinite series, okay. Here if an is an infinite series of numbers, then the expression a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus and so on, okay, a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus and so on is called an infinite series. It is denoted by summation n equal to 1 to infinity an, okay, 1 to infinity an is called the infinite series, okay. Next go to convergent series, okay. For example, limit of the function Sn tends to s, okay, Sn tends to s as n tends to infinity, okay, as n tends to infinity. Therefore the series is called the convergent series, okay, convergent series. Here where S is called the sum of the series, okay, S is called the sum of the series. It means Sn, where Sn is summation n equal to 1 to infinity an, that is a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 plus and so on, okay, and so on is called the partial, okay, partial sum sequence, okay, partial sum sequence. This is called this is limit n tends to infinity Sn, which is equal to s, is called the convergent series, okay. Now go to binomial series, okay, binomial series. The first one, 1 plus x the whole power n, okay. Binomial means expression having sum of two terms. Now in the first term have 1, okay, now in the first term have 1 is the correct, okay, 1 is the correct. Using this expansion is here, consider the sign sum of two terms, the sign is plus, okay, then the power n have the sign is plus, okay, have the sign is plus. It means 1 plus n divided by 1 factorial into x power 1, okay, plus n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial, n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 1, 2, 3 term, that is 3 factorial into x power 3 plus and so on, okay, and so on. Next go to 1 minus x whole power minus n, okay, whole power minus n, okay. Here the sign here minus and the power has minus. Power has minus. Both sign are minus minus means the expansion have a sign of each term like as plus only. Okay, like as plus only. Okay. Then next, listen, the power n have negative sign means then the factor is take opposite sign. Okay, take opposite, that is minus means like n plus 1, n plus 1, n plus 2. Okay, here 1 plus n divided by 1 factorial into x power 1. Okay, plus here n into minus means n plus 1. Okay, n plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x square. Okay, plus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into x power 3 plus and so on. Okay, plus and so on. Here next go to 1 plus x whole power minus n. Okay, here the comparing the sign plus and minus. Okay, plus and minus. Plus and minus means the expansion of the expansion have like the sign is alternatively. Okay, using alternatively, that is plus minus plus minus plus minus. Okay, using zigzag, that is 1 minus n divided by 1 factorial into x power 1 plus here listen, the power n having the sign is negative. Okay, having negative sign, it means the factor plus 1. It means the factor plus 1, that is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x square. Okay, plus then the third term is minus n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into x power 3 plus and so on. Okay, next go to 1 minus x whole power plus n. Okay, here comparing the sign minus plus. Okay, minus plus means the expansion like as the sign of plus minus plus minus plus minus, that is using alternatively. The power have positive sign means the factor which like is minus 1. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Okay, that is 1 minus n divided by 1 factorial into x power 1. Okay, plus n into plus means n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x square. Okay, minus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 1, 2, 3 term means 3 factorial into x power 3. Okay, plus and so on. These are the binomial series. This expansion is valid only for modulus of x less than 1. Okay, modulus of x less than 1. Here comparing 4 expansion, here plus means the expansion like each term plus only. Okay, plus. Okay, all the terms like plus sign. Okay, minus means all the term like plus. Okay, suppose plus minus means minus means all the term not like the unique sign. Okay, using alternative sign, that is plus minus. Okay, here minus plus means the expansion like alternative sign. Okay, now go to comparing of power n. Okay, comparing of power n. Power plus means the factor lies minus 1 into minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Okay, here minus n means, okay, the power n like as negative sign means then the factor is plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, n plus 4 and so on. Okay, power n like as negative sign means then the factor is plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 and so on. The power n have positive sign means like as the factor is minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 and so on. Okay. Next go to exponential series and logarithmic series. Okay. Here summation n equal to 0 to infinity x power n divided by n factor, denominator like as factorial means exponential series. Then the logarithmic series summation n equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 power n plus 1. It means the sign like as alternatively. Okay, x power n divided by n. Okay, here x power n divided by n is called the logarithmic series. Here x power n divided by n factorial is called the exponential series. Okay, exponential series. Here e power 1 which is equal to e power 1 means 1 plus 1 divided by 1 factorial plus 1 divided by 2 factorial plus 1 divided by 3 factorial plus and so on. E 1 divided by e which is equal to e power minus 1 which is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by 1 factorial plus 1 divided by 2 factorial minus 1 divided by 3 factorial plus minus alternatively. Okay, e power x which is equal to 1 plus positive means like all the sign is unique, that is positive. 1 plus x power 1 divided by 1 factorial plus x square divided by 2 factorial plus x power 3 divided by 3 factorial plus and so on. E power minus x means 1 minus x power 1 divided by 1 factorial plus x square divided by 2 factorial minus x power 3 divided by 3 factorial plus and so on. Okay, here e power 2x means 1 plus 2x whole power 1 divided by 1 factorial plus 2x the whole square divided by 2 factorial plus 2x whole power 3 divided by 3 factorial plus and so on. Okay. Now logarithmic series, log of 1 plus x which is equal to x power 1 divided by 1 minus x square divided by 2 plus x cube divided by 3 minus x power 4 divided by 4 plus and so on. Okay, here plus means in logarithmic series like plus minus plus minus plus minus. Here minus means like all the sign have minus. Okay, that is negative. Minus x square divided by 2 minus x power 3 divided by 2 minus x power 4 divided by 4 and so on. Okay, log of 1 plus 2x 1 plus 2x which is equal to plus means like as plus minus 2x power 1 divided by 1 minus 2x whole square divided by 2 plus 2x whole power 3 divided by 3 minus 2x whole power 4 divided by 4 plus and so on. Okay, log of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Okay, log of a by b, that is division rule, which can be written as log of 1 plus x minus log of 1 minus x. Okay, subtracting into these terms we get only for odd numbers of power, odd numbers of degree of x. Okay, that is 2 times. So take 2 in outside, that is 2 times of x power 1 plus x power 3 divided by 3 plus x power 5 divided by 5 plus and so on. Okay, thank you.